When you're ready to install your tankless water heater, there are 3 main steps. First, make the electrical connections. Second, mount the unit to the wall or place it under the sink. And third, secure your plumbing connections. When making your electrical connections, make sure the power supply is turned off. Remove the front cover to access the wire connection terminal block. Each sized unit will have different wiring requirements to supply sufficient power to the unit. All of the units, except the smallest 3.5 kilowatt model, require a minimum of 240 volts, and each have their own electrical circuit requirements that range from a 30 amp breaker up to 120 amps, or 3 40 amp breakers. Do not turn the power back on until the plumbing and mounting steps have been completed. For mounting the unit, a mounting guide is provided in the packaging to help properly align and level the product. Once the electrical connections have been made, mount the product before making the plumbing connections. For the plumbing connections, turn off the water shutoff valve to ensure that no water is flowing through the pipes. Remove the red and blue shipping caps. Then you can connect the cold water line to the cold water inlet and the hot water line to the hot water outlet using a wrench to tighten the connection. Use thread seal tape to help create a tight seal between the threaded plumbing joints. Open the shutoff valve to resume the flow of water and check for any leaks. Turn on the hot water faucet to purge any air from the water lines. Then you can restore the power and set the temperature you want on the display, testing the water temperature at the faucet and adjusting it as needed. Now you're ready to enjoy hot water on demand. The GE Tankless electric water heater is a fantastic investment for any home, offering endless hot water, energy efficiency, and easy installation.